how you
You
feeling?
miss the period?
I'm feeling weak. And I'm just feeling feverish. Wolipa headache. Me just nyam wolipa food. I don't know if it's the supplements
Drink
that
some
they gave
ginger
me.
tea. Go drink some ginger tea.
Emmy,
Maybe just ginger tea.
but Emmy, did you see your period?
Oh God, I beg, man.
It's gas. It's gas. It's
Bumble
gas.
clock, Lando, she don't see her
Gas.
period. Lando, she don't see her period, Lando.
It's gas.
No, sir,
No,
I'm
she don't see her period.
Sometimes, no, bro. Remember, you know, as a yard man, you know, when you go there, when you go there, you see as a yard man, you remember, say, what you know,
Yeah,
what you know,
yeah, poop on them thing there, Emmy.
remember, you know, bro, as a yard man, you know, when a yard man fuck a girl from a different culture, you know, you have to remember,
Neptali says that it's low iron.
you can make the period
Oh,
missing.
yeah, a true thing, you know.
Oh, yeah,
Make the period missing, yeah.
Yeah,
Period 9 months,
scientifically proven.
Yeah.
It's scientifically proven, so
Yeah.
when a yardie
Period 9
a
months,
girl
okay,
outside of the yardie where abroad,
put up on them
Emmy, you're
things.
fine.
the period will shift up
So
on
yard
thing.
man irregulate woman period.
Yeah, it make the period shift up on thing. A yard man, it's a yard man thing still.
You're not pregnant. You're not pregnant.
Yeah,
It's a yard man
man.
thing, baby. So I'm
You're not pregnant. A yard man thing, man. A yard man.
That's why the girl them
Irregular.
love yard
Make
man.
your period
Then
shift up.
how the fuck
Because we make them just
Make your period shift up, though.
Yeah, man.
That makes sense. The yard man
Don't put
thing.
it in there.
Alright then.
How the fuck are we?
Yeah,
But
so
we make
that's
your
all right.
period
We
shift
clear
up.
for that.
Don't
No, we
put it
clear
in
for that part.
Alright then.
Yeah, man. So make we change the
Don't put
topic.
it in it.
Yeah, we change
Yeah,
that
I
part.
understand.
Yeah, so we deal with it.
Man, same thing.
2026.
Yard man style, man.
The yard man thing.
Yeah?
Babe,
Yeah.
my head hurt me.
A gas, man, gas.
Drink some ginger tea. You need some ginger tea.
This come like one marketplace. Nah, yeah, who I talk, who not talk.
Maybe it's gas.
Who's gonna get pregnant? No, not me.
Babe. Hey, Tavi.
What's going on?
Yeah, man.
Alda?
Aldari.
I don't want to be part of no shit. Don't put me no shit. Take your mouth off me.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me smell one baby.
Yo,
Something.
you not for nothing, Lando. Just
And our face kind of look like, you know.
you not for saying
Tali
nothing.
says that it's low iron.
Eh?
So if you have low iron B, you know, just go and mechanic shop, man, and then we.
I mean,
No, she needs some B complex.
No man, I will
He
if
come-
I
but I
should have crush up.
B complex or B12
Or she
for
can go
iron.
on and then
Crush up.
electrical shop there.
Iron at the pharmacy.
Guy, JPS,
Iron
JPS.
sell a
will buy
pharmacy.
iron too.
Yes,
What
you
kind
have
of
the B complex.
Iron say a pharmacy, like you
know
can
that.
buy
Yeah,
iron
me
for
too.
car.
iron clothes that she don't want iron.
So you can buy iron for car pharmacy.
No about that.
The pill.
Oh, Lando, we
Iron
have to go
pill.
fix the moms then, you know.
Iron pill. Oh, iron tablets.
Lando.
That's iron tablets.
Eh?
Lando, we have to
pill.
go fix the moms we have then, you know, bro. When you come back to Jamaica, you know, bro.
Boy, Tavi, all the moms me have to go sell.
A be iron it once.
Wait,
so you have
ask
to
her.
fix it before you sell
Emmy,
it.
do you take
She can eat some
magnesium?
callaloo. You know, have callaloo. Eat some callaloo.
She take magnesium.
Tell her about Kalalu already. Magnesium.
Yeah, callaloo can work. Callaloo can work. Iron in a callaloo.
Get it together.
Yeah, green banana too. So I say green banana.
B, you have
green
to
banana.
eat. Me tell you to eat up your youngkin, your ilalu. Me make you get ilalu already. And me make you get beetroot. You blend up the beetroot and drink it with the ilalu. If you want ginger, you can put little ginger in there and sugar. Forgive.
Ah, sure, because sweeten it a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, B, I saw you have to deal with it.
Yeah, so you have to deal with it for true, Emmy.
Me, I feel like me I suffer from cocky deficiency.
Mute.
B, and you go on like me would not really work nothing. And that me I talk about, you know.
Oh, how long then she not get none?
Yeah, dog, TJ and she go on like it no work nothing, bro.
Hey, you know want get the money. You see it? And the man think about the 10 coin, you know want buy the Benz.
And she know you know TJ, she know me is a dog when because I flash it. Cause I saw me deal with it, not TJ.
Mad.
You know you know dog. He don't know me.
You deserve something, man, Emmy. I'm making you. So everyone deserves something, man.
No, man. Humble
Anyone
clap.
deserve something?
Knowing herself, bro. She know,
When
bro.
you go back over there? When you go back over there?
No, she come to Jamaica, man.
Oh,
She
she
come
come
to
to
Yardie.
Jamaica. She come to Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Me, I know that, you know.
How?
I know that alone.
How else?
Me did go a doctor over there. And the doctor say, me I suffer from lack of head.
Hold on! TJ, hold on! Baby, hold on, I can't hold up my bum class self. Hold on, I will Lando gone. No!
No eating of the buff. That's what Lando said. Lando said, why? Ow!
No man, I will Lando gone.
I said, African people they stay.
Lando run.
Yes.
No man.
And
Will Lando gone.
Emmy, me think that. Emmy, what them say that now in African culture?
What you mean? That a normal something in Africa.
end the match.
What you say, a normal thing?
Very normal.
Rascal, so here we go on. We have to go talk to Lando now, you know. Because he might forgot do something now, you know.
Adim.
Neat.
Yo, alright, Lando.
Oh.
Lando.
Don't tell him that.
Alright, I'm not tell him. She I gotta tell him.
Tell me, Tabby. Tell me.
No,
Tell
she
me,
I gotta
Tabby.
tell you. She I gotta tell you.
Tell me.
Mute, baby. Mute.
Babe,
Yeah.
I love you so much.
No, tell me.
Yeah, tell me talk.
Babe, me say me love you.
Me love you too, but Tabby, talk. What was said? What?
Alright, Lando.
Yeah, talk.
Alright, so you know, at the Jamaican culture, me there, and me a Jamaican, you understand, but she African, you know them way there? Yeah, and in an African culture, it seems as if you have to eat the buff.
No, don't lie to these people. You eat it.
No, hold on there.
Tell him you eat it. Tell him you eat it.
TJ, I drink water, you know. And you know, say a regular, you drink my water.
Tabby, you're in this one on your own.
No, listen, me I bring in a blood clot.
You're on this one on your own, Tabby.
No, me I bring in a blood clot mix, and you drink my water.
While you're sleeping here, your girl is talking to you.
But did you drink my water though?
You're on your own, Tabby. You're on your own.
You see me, that man show you know. You have to make me represent for myself.
No, I'm telling the truth.
But hear me as a Lando.
Represent for yourself.
Lando, alright, hear me as a Lando. You have to go eat the buff.
No.
No, you have to go yam it. No, for real. You have to go taste Emmy.
No, you're mad. Boss, me eat meat. If me not eat cooked meat around,
look at no, Lando. And PJ, I have to do it, Maya. Because I'm a Maya pussy on a regular, you know.
No, Tabby.
If me and TJ have to do what we have to do. Lando, you just have to do what you have to do. Because me and TJ, we don't have to do what we have to do.
Tabby.
TJ now Maya pussy like whoa. You understand so? Yo, Lando. I that Emmy one, bro. Me I do what me have to do.
She not get that here, so. She not get that.
Don't.
Tabby.
You have to do
Tabby,
it.
the man don't even eat meat none at all.
Don't pretend like you wanted to.
If me not eat meat, when
That's
you
a problem.
TJ stress out,
when you
bro.
cook, or when you ram, you're gonna eat. You must eat blood.
Exactly, you know, meat none at all for true.
TJ stress out though.
Not even fish.
No, chat, yo, me imagine no, Tabby, yo. No, Tabby, yo, Tabby, happy stifling a dog.
Them know where you do what?
Tabby,
Them too big
Tabby,
jar.
how are you, Tabby?
Too jar there,
Tabby, Tabby. Come on, we for every 5 minutes or 6 him off the top and take breath, you know.
Okay,
Better blood clot, man. 69 me and I go.
Tabby, Tabby.
So she go on like so she know.
Hey, don't say, Tabby, hey.
Whoa,